Hi guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to do a review of the new IPO software, Unity Software Incorporated. So it was delayed this morning, so I think it just opened right now because I was looking at it this entire time. And I'm gonna buy a couple shares at $68. Hopefully it doesn't go too high. I'll just buy like 1 or 2 shares. My plan for Unity is just to buy over time. So right here. Let me see if I got in, because I don't know if I got in. Cause yeah, I got in at $68, but they raised the price from $44 to what's called $68, which I told you in last week's video. I said the IPO price might be a lot higher. I could expect it to be $100 by tomorrow, but I got in at $68. Each week I'm just put in $100 or so to buy and like build up my shares in Unity, because I think this company could be $1,000 company, $2,000 per share company. Crazy, right? Since it's a platform company, just watch my last video I did on it, Unity review, analysis, something like that. It's on my channel. So that's it for this video, guys. Are you guys gonna buy a Unity software IPO, or are you not? At what price would you buy it at? Comment, like, subscribe, and share. And that's it for this video. Peace out.